Man, it's late in the day and it's time to start thinking about dinner. I've got something special for you, inspired by a recent trip to a restaurant. What do you say we try it together? Are you ready? Let's do this. Woo! So Mom made it down to the water. It is perfect. A lot of rocks here, so can't really go too far into it, but just being in the water, even with my feet, on a hot day like this is what it's all about. Again, if you don't follow the channel, every time I go out, I try to find water because my mom loves it. Mom, this is for you. So tonight's meal is inspired by a dish that I had at a local Seattle pizza place called Mia Posto, which is arguably one of my top 5 pizza places in all of Seattle. At some point, I'm gonna have to do a review and let you know what my top 5s are. But as I went there to have dinner, they made a meatball as an appetizer. So I thought maybe I could modify that, make that my own, and have that for dinner tonight. So that's what we're gonna do, a meatball here, camping. So the first thing you want to do is put together your meatballs. And for me, I'm using a ½ pound of ground beef, a ½ pound of ground pork. We'll mix that together. We'll add in some spices, some salt, pepper. We'll add in a little bit of garlic powder. And then we're going to use a lot of herbs from my balcony. I have a Juliet balcony at home. I grow a lot of herbs there. We're going to use some thyme, some fresh oregano, and some basil. We'll chop all of that up. We'll put that in there as well. We are then going to also add in 1 egg, as well as some panko crumbs, and we're going to mix it all together, get it to a good consistency, and then you're going to make golf ball size meatballs. You want to put those aside, and then we're going to put those in the fridge and let them chill down while we start our sauce. Let's get this one going. Oh, I forgot. We're also going to add in some grated Parmesan cheese. Now you want to make sure that you're turning your meatballs to just get a brown kind of sear on all of the sides, because we are going to turn down the heat and cook this low and slow for a while. But right now, you're just looking for some color on your meatballs. So the meatballs are almost done cooking on high. We'll turn them one more time and then turn the heat down and cook them for about another 10-15 minutes. Now is the time we want to start the sauce. To a pan, we're going to put a little olive oil, some minced garlic, and then I'm also going to use some onion that I shaved on a microplaner. We want to get that really nice and minced as well. So we'll put those into a pan, start that going, and then we'll add in our crushed tomatoes. So everything is in the pan for the sauce. You want to cook this down, again, about 10-15 minutes. You really want to make sure that any kind of tin flavoring that might be from the can is cooked out of the tomato sauce. And then also you want to get it to a nice kind of thicker consistency. So some of the water that comes with that crushed tomato, you want to make sure that you kind of cook it out. We're going to leave it uncovered as it cooks out. We'll cook it on low as well. The meatballs are done. We're going to leave them in the pan covered just to keep them warm as the sauce finishes up. This is the time where all you can do is wait for your sauce to cook down. You want to keep stirring it so, again, it doesn't stick, doesn't burn. But we're going to leave it uncovered, continue to cook it down until it's ready to eat. The sauce has reduced. It is now time to plate this up and eat this bad boy. And voila, there you have it. Mia Posto inspired meatballs. I've got a salad, I've got some Italian mineral water, also my favorite cab, yellowtail. I'm gonna have that as well. Let's dig in and try these meatballs out. Absolutely fantastic. The sauce is perfect for these. I have 3 here. I have some more that I can go back for seconds, but again, this is a relatively easy enough meal to do on the road, and I think you'll really enjoy it. I'll put a description to how you do everything down below, and then maybe, who knows, when you're out and about, you'll try something like this. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye. And then, of course, you can follow me on my website at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, chef it up. You know my motto, there's no need to eat poorly on the road. Here, yep, another example of how to eat well. Yeah, I think I'm going to have seconds. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.